So this is something you could store your eggs in your refrigerator to help you save space and keep organized. I received this from the brand called Sot Family. It's made out of a durable plastic. So this can hold up to 28 eggs. And to put them in, I'm just sliding them in through the slot right here. Okay, so you can see here how narrow this is, and this is so cool because it takes up less space than a carton of eggs. When you're ready to grab an egg, you just take one and the rest start to roll into the next place. Not only is this a helpful storage container, but I also love the way it looks.